Good morning. It's a lovely day in New York, and I thought about putting this on tape. Long Island Carnival 2000. Long Island Carnival went from the town of Hempstead to the stop was Long Island, the community college, Nassau Community College parking lot. It was a very nice day, and it was a good run to the stop. When I got to the stop, I went behind the bandstand, WLIB's bandstand, and I laid on my back. And while doing that, I dozed off. And then I felt these little twinkles of electric rays going in my eyes, And I opened up my eyes and I looked, and there it was. There was a white object emitting bands of lights. And I jumped up like a madman. I tried to show some Jamaican girls who were next to me and sitting, and they sucked their teeth. They wouldn't look, and they didn't believe me. So there was a group of young boys to the right of me. They could be associated with WLIB, the children of WLIB. They were like young teenagers. I told them to look, and they wouldn't. And I said, if you want to see a UFO, you better look now. And they did. They didn't look, and they did see. They pointed out to the others. One pointed out to the others, and the others looked, but the girls didn't look. And what this UFO did, sometimes it was a white object, just like a plane. If you ever saw a plane traveling in the overhead flight path during the day when it's very bright, you just see a white object. Well, but a plane, you can see the shape of a plane. With the UFO, you just see it this type. And then at times it turned into like a metal object, and it was just sitting there, and it was going off and on. This is why I firmly believe there is an invisible world. I'm pretty absolute about that. I don't think this could be subconscious projections. They're too clear and too pronounced. And this isn't the first time I've seen UFOs during the day. I have seen them during the day, but these were very, very pronounced. Okay, so there was also then the big one. There was a big one and a small one. The small one came in and curved down from above and just passed, and then they disappeared. I walked south out of the parking lot, and while I was going out, I saw this like flock of geese coming towards me, and then this figure, this flock of geese, made in all like smoke, all sorts of distorted contortions, all kind of twists, all possible conceivable twists that this thing could have done. It was a cloud of smoke, and then it went off to the east and gradually became a ball, and it became like a dull light, and then it eventually disappeared. On my way out of the parking lot that evening, I saw a group of young boys with motorcycles, and I admired the motorcycles and so forth. And the next Saturday, I read in the New York Times that I think it was 3 motorcycle guys had died in New Jersey with New Jersey license plates and New York license plates. And these guys had New York and New Jersey license plates. The guys from New York died because I guess they didn't know the road, but it was a horrific accident as far as I know. And that's it. I just thought I'd get that on tape. I know it does seem bizarre, but incredible.